Hello, welcome. Again, I will discuss here the topic which I had given a task to you all. Same thing, I am just going to highlight. You just refer it. It's very important topic. Copying. Okay, copying is very important topic that you need to focus for your exam point of view. So previously, aliasing I taught right now. Aliasing is having problem like they're sharing the same memory location. But when you're creating the copy of any of a particular object, that would be uh, taking the place in different memory, right? So the same concept I'm going to explain with the help of example. So please focus this topic. Under copying, there are two concepts you have to learn. In your exam, maybe they will ask the question like demonstrate the concept of a shallow copy and deep copy used to copy an object with a suitable example. So how you will solve this problem in your exam? The same thing, okay? Though it is given in your PPT properly that you have to solve, okay? This is the complete program. It is there, page number 27, 28, and 29, right? The same program I will apply to demonstrate these things. So let me take you on the VS Code and there only I will implement this. Okay. This you refer for your learning purpose. Okay. Now I hope the VS Code is visible. Now I will take a one file called as copying.py, right? This is my file. Here only I will explain what is deep copy and what is the shallow copy. So shallow copy you are aware about. If you have a top level of object that only you want to copy, you don't want to copy the nested items. So that moment you need to use the shallow copy. If you have a nested items also, nested objects also, so in that case you have to use deep copy, right? So let me explain the concept. For example, you have to first import copy module. After this, you have to create the one class called as point. Okay, point. After this, you need to write pass and come out from the class. Then you have to take one more class called as rectangle. Rectangle. Okay, rectangle. After this, just write pass, come out from the class. Now create one object called as box and you have to create this through the by calling the rectangle. Okay. Then box width and box height you have to declare. Okay. So this I have taken. Now after this, you have to take the one more object called as box.corner with the point class. So that I have taken. After this, just assign the points. Let's say my point is 5.0. So box.corner.x. This is x point. Similarly, I will take y point. Okay. Now, after this, I will perform the shallow copy. Here I will perform the shallow copy. How to perform the shallow copy? It's very simple. You take one more object called as box2, and then copy.copy, and you pass the previous box. Okay. And then check the identity. Then check the identity, right? Check the identity. How to check the identity? Actually, tomorrow I will discuss this. Uh, print print box dot corner. Okay, is box2 dot corner. Whether it is true or false. Whether it is true or false. So what you are doing here? You are performing your shallow copy, right now. So, as per diagram, might you have observed? Let me run it first. When I'm running this, you're getting true. This means that box corner is the same box corner which is having box 2, right? So this is you have done for the shallow copy. After writing the definition and the syntax and all for the shallow copy, you have to write this program. Similarly, what do you mean by the deep copy? Okay. What do you mean by the deep copy? Let me explain the deep copy. Okay, so you came to know about the shallow copy. Now, deep copy is basically when you have embedded object, right? Now, at that moment, you need to apply the deep copy. So first I will import copy, then I will create the class. Okay, then I will create the class same point and everything. Okay, so class point pass, then similarly class rectangle pass. Then from here, then you create first one object called as box through the rectangle class. Then take the value, same value, the way I have done there, the same thing I'm doing here. Then box dot corner dot point, another object you have taken, that is the nested one. After this, you have to take one more corner. Okay, box dot corner and take some point. Hmm? Similarly, take corner for y, then apply the deep copy. And this time deep copy, take box 3, and this time you apply copy dot deep copy for the box, and then check the identity and check whether box corner is box 3 dot corner, and you check here identity operator I'm using is. Okay, you may use equal also, but here I'm using the is. So it will, since box corner is nowhere connected with the box 3 corner, so that should give the false result. Yeah, it is showing the false result. So this is the concept of the deep copy. So these two programs, please you run. I mean, you write, if in your exam they're asking the question related to copying and shallow copy and the deep copy to demonstrate the concept of this all. Here, few facts I will explain with you. Please keep in mind, listen properly. Maybe they will ask the question, differentiate between the shallow copy and deep copy. So take some parameters and based on that, you just define it. Okay. So AI simulation and distributed system, gaming engine there, these type of concepts are applicable. So it's all about the copying. Okay. Please make use of this video and through the notes, first go through the notes, then you come to this particular explanation, then you will come to know what I'm explaining here. Okay, I'm stopping this video here and just learn it. Okay.